Job!
I mean, look at Job. So noisy, like, kailangan mo ng ganong kaingay? Like, bata ba siya?
Eh ano naman kung maingay ako? Tambayan area nga, di ba?
Come on, it's not professional, it's not ethical.
Hi guys! Today I'm at Tams. Do you guys like my new hair? Kasi ako hindi ko siya masyadong gusto actually. Mukha akong engo.
Guys, bilhin na kayo please. Drinks. Bilang ko sa mga pesos. Oh my God. Oh my God, sobrang sarap na.
Pwede 2 gives.
Ano yun?
2 gives, 45.
Okay, sino mo bra tayo? Sige. Ready? 7 cards here.
Ayun, di ba si Justin? Balita ko nakabuntis daw.
Hindi, totoo ba?
Oo, Mi. Yung asawa ng kalabaw ko.
God, expected.
Di
Kasi
ba?
labas ng gabi.
Kapaiba talaga eh. Oh, ang ingay. Sabi nung nanay, grabe, may asawa na raw.
Job! Ano ba yan? Ano mo sa akin, Roy?
I'm trying to lock in and you're...
Ba't ka mag-aaral sa tambay area? I mean, what's the point, di ba? Alam mo naman maingay yung mga tao dun. Alam mo naman public space siya. Ba't ka pa mag-aaral? Di ba? I mean, hindi mo naman, hindi ka mag-aaral.
Alright, asking is just for a little bit of consideration na tayo para maglaro, Job.
Ano ba yan? Gusto ko lang naman mag-enjoy sa Tams and do all my sick tasks. Pero there's some people out there na napaka-negative ng aura. Like si Job and si Roy. Ano ba yan? Away ng away, nakakasagabal sa mga sick tasks ko.
I'm not asking you
Hoy!
to myself.
Ano bang ginagawa niyo dyan? Hello! This is a Tams space, a communal space. Ba't kayo nag-aaway? Away kayo ng away? Ingay-ingay yung dalawa.
Eh, ito kasi si Roy.
Siya kasi.
Parang like,
Well, ingay dyan.
Just stop. Gawin na lang natin yung sick task na binigay sa atin. Okay?
I can see but you when you dance. Feel good creeping up on you. So just dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance. And ain't nobody leaving, so keep dancing.
You know, in a sense, gets ko naman si Job kasi it's my responsibility then. I should have done my works before. Maybe I was a bit too harsh on him. No, he's not a bad guy naman. He just wants to have fun in Tams and I can respect that.
I mean, maybe I was a bit too loud. Gets ko rin naman si Roy, ang dami niya rin ginagawa, ang dami niyang hinahabol. Total, ang hirap din maghabol ng 24 hours sa tambay. Maybe I was a bit inconsiderate.
Pero alam nyo, I guess that's what Tams is all about. Kahit yung mga nag-aaway, may nagkakaguluhan, at the end of the day, we're still family. Kaya ano, tara? Tams?
I can see but you when you dance.